Hello everyone, so in this video, let us talk about the first problem from the latest LEETCODE weekly contest 382, problem name number of changing keys. It's a pretty easy problem, as you can see, it's a very easy problem. Let us go over the problem statement first. It states that you are given a zero index string S typed by a user. So a string S is being typed by a user. Changing a key is defined by using a different key from the last used key. Okay, now as you can see, A and B has a change in key, but B capital B doesn't have. So which means that changing key doesn't matter on the, like, it is a lowercase or uppercase. It only matters if there is a change in the character itself. By character means like from A to B, or like alphabet, you can just say. Okay, you just have to find how many changes of keys are here. So as you can see that this is all A, so there is a change in B. So there's one change from going to from A to B, and then from B to C there's a change. So there are two changes. Okay, from here all of them are A, so there is no zero changes. So pretty much simple. Now you can just do a for loop from left to right, and keep on checking that whether the character which I'm typing next is equal to the previous character in the same case. If it is both, like if the character that I'm typing correctly and the previous character both have the same case, if they both are lowercase, like you can convert this to a lowercase and just equally check. If they both are the same characters, then you don't have changed to any key. If they both are different, then you have changed the key. So nothing much complicated. It's pretty much very simple. Let's move on to the code part now. What we have done is that we have created a variable total, done a for loop, checked every character. Let's say it is A, B, B. So I've started from the first index, okay, because the first, and I'm checking the first index with the previous index, I and I minus 1, and I've, like you can say, converted both to lowercase, so that I can easily check that it is lowercase a, it will be lowercase a. If both of them are same, then which means that I have not changed any key, but if they both are different, then which means I have changed the key, so it increment the total, and then in the end find out how many total changes we have done and return that. Nothing much complicated itself. That's the overall logic and the code part for this particular problem. If you still have a doubt, make a mention in the comment box of this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding and bye.